Today, a quick little video showing you how to prepare celeriac. Let's do it. Celeriac is a great vegetable to cook with, but it's very simple to prepare and very easy to cook. And so, the first thing you need is a really sharp knife. And then the first thing I like to do is find the top of the celeriac, and you want to slice it off about 1/2 centimetre thick. Once you've done this, find the bottom of the celeriac, which is the really ugly bit, and do the same. And then you want to pop the celeriac flat side down and take your time and take a lot of care to slice away all of that thick, tough skin. So work your way through it, chop it all off, and then you want to chuck away that skin, wipe down your chopping board and your knife, and then spend a minute to clean up the celeriac a touch. You want to remove any little bit of skin or blemish, and once you've done this, you want to give it a really good wash. So rinse it off, shake off the excess water, pat it dry with a towel if you wish, and now we're ready to prepare it for cooking. So really simple, slice down the celeriac, cutting it into 1/2 inch thick pieces, lay these on the board and cut down them again, and we basically want to cut it into roughly inch-size cubes, give or take. And once you've done this, your celeriac is ready to go, a definite winner. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.